Hi, I'm Lalita. I'm a student at CVCORP. Now I want to share about my learning experience at CVCORP.
Hello everyone, I'm Pujita. I'm a student at CVCORP. I'm a 2026 passed out student.
Hi, I'm Sindhura. I'm a student at CVCORP. I want to share my training experience in CVCORP. In CVCORP, every day is well structured. For the morning batch students, first off will be the classroom sessions in which we will be understanding our concepts, and the second half will be the practice sessions where we'll be practicing our coding without distractions in a peaceful environment.
Here at CVCORP, our morning starts with our training sessions. In training sessions, our mentors helps us and in understanding each and every concept in detail. Here the learning is not just rote learning, but we understand the logic behind each and every concept in our training session.
And in the evening session, we'll be having practice labs where we'll be practicing our Instacks. The Instacks helps me to increase my skills in programming, and we have many assessments in Instacks account.
In practice sessions, we are assigned with the mentors who helps us in clarifying our doubts, and also we'll be assigned with the Instacks where we'll be practicing our questions and we'll apply our knowledge in real-time applications.
We have dedicated labs for our trainings, and the environment is so comfortable and friendly, and it keeps us motivated to practice more in the training sessions.
In practice sessions, we'll be having many mentors. They help me to explain me the complex problems very easily, step by step, and I can easily be in a track. I can easily cover the concepts, and this helps me to increase my skills.
We are not just writing a code, but we are writing a clean and organized code. Thank you.